This is the Billy Bikini, and in this video I will show you step by step how to sew this yourself. The sewing pattern is available on my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description box below. This is a very simple style and does not include instructions or adjustments for pads, gussets, adjustable straps, underwire and so on. So please do note this before purchasing the pattern and or following this tutorial. The materials you will need for the style are 0.5 meter to 1 meter of lycra, spandex or any other swimwear fabric, 3 to 5 centimeters of 0.5 centimeter wide elastic, which is optional, and your sewing machine or optionally your overlocker. The pattern includes 1 centimeter seam allowance. For the top we start with the straps. We fold them right sides together and sew along the entire edge of the strap. We can then pull them right sides out with a safety pin or a loop turner if you have one. Next, we need to attach one side seam of our top for both our outer and inner fabric. However, we need to close one left side and one right side, as these two layers have to mirror each other. Now we can place the inner and outer layer right sides together and sew along the bottom edge. At the same time, we can attach our elastic to this edge, which is optional. The elastic gives the bikini more structure. It would, however, also work and fit without it. It simply depends on how much structure you would like. If we do choose to add the elastic, we simply want to line it up with our stitching, making sure we catch the elastic as we sew over it. That should leave us with an enclosed elastic and a strong seam, with no elastic showing on the outside of the top. Next, we can attach the straps. For this, we simply pin them to the back of our top about 5 centimeters from the side seam. Without twisting them, we pull them over to the front of the top to each corresponding peak of the top. We need to pay attention to not twist or cross the straps at this stage. For the outer strap, we have to pull on the back piece to reach the front. Next, we can pin all around the top edge of the top, making sure we secure the straps nicely in place. As we are pinning the top edge, we want to make sure that both straps are fully enclosed by the top so that they are their full length when we turn the top right sides out. Due to the straps being shorter than the width of the top, the fabric is sort of pulling on itself, which is totally fine as long as we precisely attach the right sides together. We can then go ahead and sew along the entire top edge of the top. Next, we can turn the top right sides out, which leaves us with this neatly finished top with one open side. The twist in the front is optional, however I find that it adds a little something to the bikini. You can, however, skip this step and simply finish the side seam for a more classic, sporty version. If we do opt in for the twist, we simply want to twist the open front side of the top in on itself. The last thing to do is to close the side seam, which we do by sewing a loop around the side, right sides together. This is similar to attaching a sleeve where we sew a circle. Start pinning by matching up the top or bottom seams and then simply pin and sew outwards from here. We of course need to leave a little hole through which we can pull the right sides out. Lastly, we can close the hole by top stitching or for a little more seamless look with a ladder stitch, which we can simply do by hand, catching one piece of each side of the fabric and then pulling it together as we continue to sew. And with that, we have finished the Billy Bikini top. Moving on to the bottoms, we place them right sides together and close both entire leg openings, optionally with the added elastic. Next, we can turn them right sides out and then spread the two layers apart at the top, repeating the same on the other side and then placing both sides right sides together and sewing along the side seams for a clean finish on each side. close the top of the bottoms, we need to mark the center front with a pin on each layer. We are going to use the burrito roll method here, so we will spread lining and outer fabric apart, bunching the rest of the bottom up between these two layers and then matching up the center front right sides together using the pins we have previously added. From here we can pin outwards and take it to our sewing machine. We sew around the entire top edge, optionally adding our elastic and only leaving one small gap. We pull the bottoms right sides out from here, and just like we did with the top, using a ladder stitch to close the last little bit of the bottoms. And with that we have finished the Billy Bikini, and here is the final outcome. This is a very quick and easy make, and I think it is a very flattering style with a really nice silhouette. The legs are cut high for a Baywatch moment paired with a cheeky bag. The top provides enough coverage but still is playful with a little twist in the front. I hope you like this as much as I do, and with that, happy sewing!